We're doing. Good morning, everyone. We're having another. This is third day in a row that we're doing good on our. We're talking crypto and cryptocurrencies and Grayscale trusts. Well, most of us are in this channel are on our way to becoming multimillionaires, and some more than that, maybe billionaires. Yeah, the other day I had I think it was Sunday. I had this feeling of my computer's so freaking slow. I don't know what. Okay, the other day I had this. I don't know. This thing just came over me like we were gonna have I don't know, something big is coming. You know, something huge. You ever get that feeling that I don't know, you're gonna get a raise at work or a promotion or something is going to happen in your life, and you just, I don't know, you feel it. It's like it's in the air. It's like it's coming, but it's gotta go through its rings and hoops and a lot of magic out there that's got to be overcome first. There's a lot of when talking about magic real quick, this is how it works. If I cast a spell on something, right? If there's another spell before me, I have to wait in line, kind of. That's the way it works, and there's a lot of curses in this world. God curses, all kinds of people have cursed the earth and ancestors. A lot of us have ancestry problems that they curse the people and they curse the ancestors. So just a little outside thing there about how I feel about this, and it's like an energy. I may be wrong, I may be wrong. We may still have to wait a long time, but we're doing okay for the last 3 days, and it's pretty positive right now. Again, the Firegate is up 10%, GSOL 7%, HSEN is up 7%, LTCN 2.25, and BCHG is up 2%. GXLM, 7.43. And all the markets are very, very positive. Yesterday, too. 859 points on the Bob Jones industrial averages. Let's check out gold real quick. Gold is it's down 2%, which is... it just may mean that, okay, we're done here. That crazy money I tell you guys about, the people up here, they jump from one thing to another. That's why I say don't invest in the stock market because you're going to lose, especially you new guys. You've never invested in you don't know what you're doing. You think you know what you're doing. You don't. You're going to lose. You're going to lose. Because the money up here is the dumb money. It jumps around from one thing to another. And as the people are losing, they start falling down and all the sharks start eating all the remains, right? And they go down this way. And then on this side, you got the new people coming in. Oh, I got a couple $100,000. I'm going to invest. I'm going to make a lot of money. And boom, the market eats everything up here. Everything up here is eaten. So if you're new, you're going to lose. Get out of the stock market. Get out of it. It's not for you. In this case, we got something going here. Okay, we got something in our trusts, our Grayscale, and our crypto. Okay, we're taking a calculated risk. It's a very, very, very good risk. The way I see it, I think it's one of the best things that's out there right now. I mean, where else are you gonna make such a big jump? As soon as those people the ones up here swimming around like crazy, once they start going into the altcoins, like for instance, gold is down today. It means that their money's got to go someplace. They're investing someplace else. And if they see the altcoins, hey, here's an opportunity. They're going up really well. Look at Solana, 20% in one day. if I invest into that, I'm going to make a lot of money. And they throw their money into that. And that's what we're waiting for. I mean, I hate to say it, but we're just kind of like waiting in the dark for, waiting to bite. That's the way it works. I mean, it's legal. It's sad, but that's the way it works. And that's how, people have to learn not to get involved with trading and, don't trade. This is something that we could throw something in the market, and the chance of it zooming up like crazy and making a huge profit is the potential is there. I mean, we've seen the charts. I've shown you guys the charts a million times, and that's why we do it. And all you new people to the channel, to investing stocks and so forth, get out of the market now. Good chance to opportunity to buy here still. Grayscale, yeah, they're pretty cheap. Look, where's Bitcoin Cash? $3.02. I think it was $3.22 about 2 months ago. So we're still doing good here. Any of them, just about. Horizon, Litecoin, $7. We're almost buying it at they're cheap prices. And like I say, once this stuff starts zooming, it's just going to be a huge a rocket launch. Okay, that's why we have rockets launching. Every time something goes up, they launch, the little rocket, because they launch like rockets. This is the AI stocks, a good part of them, not all of them. They're all in the green today. Looking at my portfolio, at least it's up to 23,000. Gee gosh, this is embarrassing. But it's embarrassing because right now markets go up, they go down. A lot of people got out of this. A lot of people got out of the grayscale and the crypto, because they bought high and then they got out. That's not the way you're supposed to just hang out at the bottom and have enough oxygen on board so you can survive several months or several years. Some of us have been waiting years, and I've been waiting a year, a couple of years now, since I had my million, and I'm it's probably going to come back, and I'm going to have probably a lot more than than that. Let's see. Nvidia up $4. Wow. I was going to buy an option for Walmart, but I don't think it didn't go through. A leap, long option. I think Walmart is really good buy, but not financial advice. Don't listen to me. I'm just a guy sitting in a room telling you a bunch of stuff. Let's look at accept cookies and continue. Okay, Bitcoin up 93 to 93,000 now. 10%, guys, almost 11% in the last 7 days. Now, Ethereum has finally climbed up a little bit ahead of Bitcoin, 13%, actually 14%. Solana's up 20%. Dogecoin, 17%. Cardano, a lot of these coins are, except Tron. I don't believe in Tron too much. I don't believe in BNB. I don't believe in XRP. Sorry. I'm not crazy about Ethereum, but it is number 2. We don't know who number 1 is, but we know this one is Vitalik Buterin. Tether is not really. It is, but it's not. It's controlled, and it's a good place to park. Chainlink, wow, 22%. Wow, my crypto should be doing okay. Sui, 42% again. Where's that little dog? Okay, he's doing better. A little bit problems last night, so I gave him a little aspirin, so he's better. 18% Avalanche, Stellar 13. All these are ahead of Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin Cash 11, 12%. Litecoin up 13%. Polkadot 16%. Some of these I don't know. DAI is a stable coin, so even Monero is up to $6. PP 26%. That's pretty much it on this stuff here. All the meme coins, I'm sure they're all they're kind of a little bit on the red over here, but they've moved up also. Meme coins, stable, regular coins, they all go up when everything goes up. So that chart is still it lags a little behind. It's not there yet. But however, like I said, we're the cryptos and the grayscales are doing. We've been doing good for the last week. Dow Jones up 1,000 points again this morning. It's only 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Okay. Hyperdimensional understanding. Yeah, you gotta have a different mindset. The same thing with the wealth generator. You gotta cross over to the other side to understand witchcraft, occult. You gotta Christianity. You gotta step away from the world's Christianity, which is not Christianity. It's more Paulinian than. They like to follow the Apostle Paul. Ooh, by the way, I'm going to talk about that one of these days. I'm going to start doing a little series about Paulinian doctrine and how Paul was able to undermine Christ. Christ is his name. It's not Jesus. Jesus is like the name of a horse or something like that. So that's where we get Jesus. It's not Jesus. It's Christ. Christ the Lord. I believe in him very much, and I trust in him. I trust in his Father, which is the before Father. Christ is the Father. The before Father is everywhere. You can't see him, but he's there all the time. Okay, enough preaching for today, guys. I'll be checking in for every so often. Okay, take care, guys. Have a good day.